So here's interesting app which is called Anthem. Discover and share music feed and playlist builder. It was just released. Developer is developed by Anthem app. Um, and this is kind of like a social music app. Some of the features like which people are missing in Spotify. I noticed this. I discovered this app from Twitter, and people were like really, yeah, like pushing and talking about it. Yeah, this is what Spotify should have done like 3 years ago or something like that. So basically, the app looks like TikTok. The home screen of the app looks like a TikTok feed where you can just scroll all this video, sorry, all these interesting song tracks based on your preferences and based on the clubs you joined. So you just scroll like, but instead of videos in TikTok, you just scroll these audio tracks in Spotify, in Anthem. That's first part. Also, you have communities like organized around different music taste. Like you can have hip hop community or like R&B community, and then you can just post there. So imagine like a Facebook groups for tracks for music, where yeah, exactly, you can post the tracks you love, and then you can just share your music. This is my track, this is what I like. And then people can upvote your track, similar like on Reddit. So it's a combination of Facebook group and Reddit feature. And then you can just easily find some tracks which you missed. You can just go to the community or to the specific artist and see like the top tracks and all of that. So some interesting experiences. So for example, some review here. Thank you to the builders. It is so tough to find new music, and this app does it well. I used to spend hours browsing through music options. I can now do it easily every day. Thank you, Anthem. So let's just open this app. So now you will see here how it looks like. I will just scroll really fast because it's just starts playing instantly. But yeah, that's basically it. That's your TikTok. Then you can just tap on Explore tab, and again you can just scroll there and see all of that. And yeah, to create an account, you need to log in with Spotify. Or of course, you can create an account with Apple ID, Facebook, or Google, but all these accounts should be tied to your existing Spotify account. That's how this app is working. So it's just better organization of Spotify library, I would guess. And then you just have all these tracks, and all these clubs and all these tracks like R&B classics. You just have like some of the posts here. So as I said, it's like a Facebook group. So you can see this week hits, and then you can see popular, and then you can see latest, what people are posting. You can see members. You can create a post and post your own track here. So yep, and then you just enter a caption and post something there. Then you can just browse tracks here.
Oh my gosh, she want my cake. Oh my gosh, she wanna stay. Told that bitch get out my face. I'm just trying to count my cake. Oh my gosh, she got the rags. You know how it goes.
Discover and share music. HTTPS myanthem.fm. So something like that. You can invite friends. If you want to contact support, you can just type here, and yep, there is some type form where you can just block a user, new idea, club request, just want to chat, anything else. And that's basically how you can try to contact support. For example, you want to delete your account or disconnect. your Spotify account from Anthem. At the moment, I don't know how to do it, so probably here you can do it. So at the moment, yeah, what you see, I just like logged in with Spotify to Anthem app, and then it just reflects, shows all my Spotify data here, and like my link to my Spotify, link to my Instagram, Twitter, and I changed my username. But yeah, it just reflects what I already have on Spotify. So that's about it. And then I just have this like my Anthem. So these are your favorite tracks in one playlist. And then yeah, I can just organize them. I don't know, like yeah, I can just remove them or something like that. So that's basically the idea. Then in my profile, I have history, I have genres, I have stats. It's all taken from Spotify account, I guess. But yeah, I think it would be a nice feature for just for like to have more clubs in this app. And because I think there are right now like 5 or 6 clubs only, I thought there will be more. But yeah, you can always request a new clubs, and have that to help the develop the app experience. You can also share tracks by using this paper flight icon. And that's basically the app. So definitely go check it out if you like discovering new music, if you have that problem. So imagine this app as a TikTok for new music, where you can instantly just scroll through the feed, and just instantly, like, for 2-3 seconds listen to some track, and then you're just getting this suggestion and you start listening to it. And that's basically how this works. So instead of you are listening to like discover weekly playlist on Spotify and you need to click or skip every track, here it's more like on your fingertips, and it's more like a TikTok experience but just for music. And there are clubs, there is more social elements where you can directly communicate with some interesting people who also like, for example, R&B music, or who also like electronic music and all of that, and just find some interesting people around it. I'm actually quite surprised that, like, Spotify doesn't have a real social element. Of course, you can see what your friends are listening on this app, or like you can see friends activity, but and you have your username and you have your followers, but that's about it. Like, the Spotify is missing this Facebook group element, where you can just like hang out and like discuss this track. Like, I like parts of this track, I don't like that part. I like to listen to this, but some this like bass would be better here. So, like, this kind of social club organized around specific music and tracks. So here probably you can get that. So that's why this app is pretty interesting. So that's basically it. I think this is such an overview of this app. Definitely give it a try. Thank you for watching.